This is our kit for verifying the Stefan-Boltzmann law by the electrical method by using a tungsten filament bulb as an approximate black body. The kit consists of a digital voltmeter and a digital ammeter and a power supply which is connected internally. The power supply can be varied by using the two knobs, the coarse control and the fine control. Let us now proceed with the circuit connections. The power supply is connected internally, so we will just make the connections with the voltmeter and the ammeter. For the first part, we have to determine the resistance of the filament of the bulb at room temperature. And for that, we have to take the reading of current and voltage when the bulb barely begins to glow. Before switching on the kit, make sure these two knobs are at the minimum position. Now let us vary the power supply and note the current. The bulb is barely glowing. As you can see, the bulb has just started to glow. At this position, we have to note the voltage and the current flowing through the circuit. This is the value for determining the resistance of the tungsten filament at room temperature. Now, we will change the voltage in steps of say 0.5 volt, and we will note the corresponding current from the 2 meters. As we keep increasing the voltage in steps of say 0.5 volt, we note the current flowing through the circuit with the help of the milliammeter and the voltmeter. Take down these readings, and from there we have to calculate the radiated power. Plot a graph between log P and log R, and the resulting graph will be a straight line with a slope 4. This verifies the Stefan-Boltzmann law using the electrical method. Thank you.